minutes later, Derek predictably threw a fit. He came stomping over, red-faced and blustering about how unfriendly and unwelcoming I was being. I calmly informed him that I had every right to fence in my own property and suggested he mind his own business from now on. I thought that would finally be the end of it. The fence was up. I had made my position crystal clear.
People be dumb. Yeah, I got on a dash cam.
That's gonna be on the news.
Oh yeah.
Speed trap reported ahead.
Months later, where I was more or less treated as if I was sick, and I would
That was a
transmit it to
fast
them
light.
as
That guy didn't have a
priority.
chance.
I was told on multiple times, the grass is not greener elsewhere. You might not find something.
A yellow cybertruck. That's new. You ever seen one of those? Not yellow though. It's like a school bus colors. Weird looking vehicle in that color. Even more so.